You have devoted all your life for your sons and daughters. Can they give you the reward? You have invested yourself, your family. It's only Allah who can give you the fullest reward of whatever you do for Him. Nobody has anything to reward. What reward will He be able to give you? It's only alone. Wallahu indahu husnul sawab. This is uslub hasr. It is only Allah with whom there is the good sawab, the good reward. If you have lived for anybody else, He will not be able to give you any reward. فَاسْتَجَابَ لَهُمْ رَبُّهُمْ أَنِّي لَا أُضِيعُ عَمَلَ عَامِلٍ مِّنكُمْ. Allah granted their prayer that I don't, let any good deed of any male or female go in vain, howsoever small it might be. So what to speak of those who made hijrah in my cause, who were expelled from their homes and hearts, who were persecuted in my way for my deen, who went to battlefield for my glory, to make my word supreme, لِتَكُونَ كَلِمَةُ اللَّهِ الْعُلْيَا, and even laid down their lives. I will definitely blot out all their mistakes, all their shortcomings. I will definitely make them enter the heavens, the gardens underneath which rivers will be flowing.